Good afternoon.
I think
Can we go inside to see the National Theatre?
look at that.
When will it be open to the public?
Never know yet. But very soon.
Very soon.
Yeah.
Was it open during Christmas?
No.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we'll be discovering the condition of the National Theatre in Lagos. Please do it to like, share and also subscribe to my channel, and let's get back into the video. So, you heard it from the security. The National Theatre, which was rehabilitated during last year 2024, is not yet open to the public for some reason which I don't know. You just heard it from the security officer that people are not granted access into the environment yet. No, you could be around the premises just like I am now, but into this building it's impossible unless you have some special connection that can take you inside the National Theatre. But don't worry, on this video I will still show you what it looks like inside. So you might be wondering, how did I get these clips, or how did I manage to come up with this video? Don't worry about that, it's a personal thing, and I'll show you what the National Theatre currently looks like after it's been rehabilitated and also renovated. It's looking beautiful, yes, of course, and the environment is as clean as it should be. Works are still going on inside the premises. You can see the welders trying to fix up some gates and some other things, just like that. This is the gate. It's actually open, but there's security everywhere, and they have already told me that people are not yet allowed inside the premises. So I asked them for that, why is the reason which they don't want people inside the premises yet. According to them, they said they are currently doing some things, final touches, which they would love to complete before people start going into the National Theatre, and to avoid injuries or things that might occur that are not really nice. And also they are doing this to avoid people from spoiling things inside the building itself, and that is why people are not yet allowed inside the National Theatre. Not everyone knows that the National Theatre has its own train terminal. Yeah, so you're hearing this right here first. The National Theatre in Lagos has its own train terminal. That's the blue line. So when the train is coming all the way from Mile 2, it usually stops at the National Theatre. Let me turn around and show you the terminal. So right there is the National Theatre terminal, and that is the railway, and the railway leads all the way to CMS. And when it gets to CMS Marina, which is currently the last phase, the last terminal, everybody has to alight the train. It's an amazing project, and not so much people board the train from National Theatre terminal, but it's actually a peaceful one. I'll go to the terminal right now to show you what it looks inside, how conducive and also convenient the Blue Line terminal is in the National Theatre arena. Please, where is the entrance? Entrance. So this place you are seeing, a lot of Nigerian musical artists have shot some amazing videos, from the likes of Kiss Daniel and many others. They have done some viral videos that went very viral in this area. And this place, it's a swamp actually. This swamp is locked out, like it does not connect with any other water. It's just sitting here. When it rains, it gets more filled up, and after raining and sun comes on, it goes down gradually, but it never gets dry. So this is the National Theatre. This is actually a scene to behold, but it's actually nice, and to me it's cooling. It refreshes the mind just sitting down here, listening to the sound of the breeze and looking at the fishes in the swamp and the birds, picking them up to consume. It's so amazing. And turning back to your other side, you see the National Theatre over there. The National Theatre is very, very big, and this really cost millions to be constructed, and that was back in the 90s when it was built. And now in this 2000, in this Gen Z period, like it's definitely and always called, it's been rehabilitated to fit its modern stature and also light up the theater in Africa. So right there behind me is the car park. It's a three-story building actually. Three-story car park. So which will also help keep the vicinity very, very okay instead of car parking everywhere on the road. So it's still under construction, as you can see. They're still lifting it up. So they are currently at the third, definitely working towards the fourth, fifth and above. So that's it.